Hello everybody, welcome back to HardReset.Info. So a lot of people are asking if the iPhone 17 Pro Max support dual SIMs, and the answer is yes, but it really depends on where you buy it, because Apple's making this more region specific than ever. So let's break it down. In the United States, the iPhone 17 Pro Max is eSIM only. They do not get SIM trays, and that means you can load multiple eSIM profiles. You can have two lines active at once, but there's actually no option to pop in a physical SIM card. So that's why you get bigger battery in the iPhone that you bought from the US, and old carriers like AT&T, Verizon, and T-Mobile already support this. In Europe, most iPhone 17 models, so iPhone 17, 17 Pro, and 17 Pro Max, the most important one for the video, come with a SIM tray and an eSIM, so that gives you flexibility. You can use one physical SIM and one eSIM, or two eSIMs if your carrier supports it. So a lot of European carriers like Orange or Vodafone already do eSIM, but not every single one. So having the tray is a nice backup, unlike the Hong Kong and Macau, because they are different. Those models usually come with two physical SIM slots, so you can run two nano SIMs, which are the physical cards, and there's basically no eSIM needed. And the last one, the China Mainland. Here, Apple doesn't use eSIM at all for the iPhone 17 models, which includes the iPhone 17 Pro Max. So instead, the phones have dual physical SIM slots, so Apple's saving eSIM for its iPhone Air model in China, but the standard phone, like the iPhone 17 Pro Max, still relies on the physical cards. So let's summarize it. In the US, you get eSIM only. In Europe and Korea, we get the hybrid, so we get the SIM tray plus eSIM. In Hong Kong and Macau, we get the dual physical SIM. And in mainland China, we get also dual physical SIM, but no eSIM. So that's basically it. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, then leave a like, subscription, and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.